Hi, it's Lindsay Smith from Remax Jazz. This week's report is on what we call the absorption chart, which is sitting on the front page of my website. Kind of a complicated term, and what it does is it helps out anybody who's a buyer or a seller identify how the market's moving. If you go onto my website at www.soldbylindsay.com, you'll find it about halfway down the page. And what I've done is, if you, as a buyer or a seller, if you're just starting to explore the market and take a look at what's available and how things are selling and the pricing, the MLS.ca, when you go on to surf the listings, will allow you to search in a $25,000 price range. So if you're looking for something around 180, they're going to ask you to search between 175 and 200. So what I did was I took the different areas from Oshawa to Bowmanville, Whitby, Courtice, and I've grouped those together, and I've got a $25,000 price range, and I show you how many properties are on the market last month, how many were on the market, and how many sold. And what that shows us is what we call an inventory, which is the months of supply, which shows the inventory of homes and how quickly they're going off the market. So it gives you a bit of a sense of if you're a buyer, how much competition is there for me in the range that I'm looking for. And I'll give you a good example. In the $225,000 to $250,000 range in Oshawa, we're down 3 listings last month over the month before, and we're up 21 listings in what's available for sale. So there's 3 less sold, there's 21 more on the market, which means that there's more selection, there's fewer being sold, which means that as a buyer, you've got a little bit more of an edge in that price range. As a seller, when I look at that, I would think, okay, if there's 21 more for sale and there's 3 selling less this month than the month previous, it means that the marketing has to be really accurate, our price has to be dead on the money, we have to be the leading edge home on the market to capture the attention of the buyers. So if you go on to www.soldbylindsay.com and you take a look at there, I've broken down the areas individually to Oshawa, Whitby, Bowmanville, and then I've grouped them together so you can see an overview. Any other questions? If you want to call me at 905-434-5222, or just jump on to soldbylindsay.com. There's lots of information there. Have a great day.